How to assemble horizontal metal mesh rack. Take two rectangular mesh panels and connect them with the 1x4 connectors on the edges and with 1x2 connectors in the middle. Attach rectangular panels vertically to the base. To create shelves or partitions, clip the buckle locks onto the rectangular panels at your desired shelf height. Make sure buckles are placed on both sides evenly for proper support. Place rectangular panels on top of the buckles. This will act as the shelf. Attach the other buckles and make the partitions accordingly. Finally, complete it by adding square panels to back with 2 1x4 connector on the edges and 1x2 connector in the middle, as marked. Use hammer to secure all joints for added stability. Your horizontal metal mesh rack is ready.